Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 1.1. Following number lines show the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So that one is diagram also given in question. That first one is Lahaul Spiti minus 10 degree, Srinagar minus 5 degree. That one is given in 2 degree, minus 2 degree. Lahaul Spiti, that is minus 8 degree. Shimla 5 degree. OT 14 degree. Then Bangalore, that is 22 degree Celsius. So here is a 4 part. First part is observe this number line and write the temperature of the place mark on it. So that will be Lahaul Spiti, that is minus 10 degree, minus 8 degree, and then Srinagar, that is minus 2 degree, and then Shimla, that is 5 degree, and then OT 15 degree, then Bangalore is 22 degree Celsius. These are the temperature of the different places. Second question, B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place? Hottest and coldest place above the this one. So Bangalore is, that is 22, and Lahaul Spiti is, that one is 22 plus 8 degree is equal to 30 degree. Right? What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar, that is minus 2 degree and that minus 8 degree. It means that is a 6 degree. 6 degree. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 degree. And then can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? It is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. Yes. That is yes. Second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack score in 5 successive round were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, 10, what was his total at the end? So that one write in plus everything. 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10 is equal to, that will be 5 cancelled by 5, that 10, that will be 35. 35. The calculation of these things is 35. Third question. At Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degree Celsius on Monday and then the drop by 2 degree Celsius on Tuesday. Drop means decreasing the temperature. What was the temperature of the Srinagar on Tuesday? That will be minus 7. Drop means minus 7. That is minus 5 degree and minus 2 degree is equal to minus 7 degree Celsius. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on that day? It means that is minus 7 degrees Celsius is already, and up temperature is 4 degree, that minus 3 degree Celsius is answer. It means two answers, this one and this one. Fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above sea level at the particular point. It is exactly above the submarine floating 1,200 meter below at the sea level. The sea level, what is the vertical distance between them? So that will be 5,000 plus 1,200, that will be 6,200 meter. The difference of that one is 6,200. Fifth question. Mohan deposit 2,000 in a bank account and withdraw 1,642 rupees from it. Deposit means that is amount given in that bank. Withdraw means taken amount. Deposit means given account. Withdraw means taken amount. If withdraw of amount from the account represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposit? Find the balance in Mohan account. That is 2,000 he has submitted or given, and how many deposit withdraw, that is 1,642. That will 10 less 2, 8, 9 less 4, 5, 9 less 6, 3. 358 rupees is left in his account in positive. That right? Now sixth question. Rita goes 20 km toward east from a point A to the point B. From B, C move 30 km toward west along the same road. If the distance toward east is respected by a positive integer, then how will you say represent the distance traveled toward west? By which integer will you represent his final position from A? So that will be, first of all, his goes 20 and then minus 30 in opposite. So that minus 10 meter, that negative. That minus is negative. Question 7. Here is not written. That is a oral type of question, or you can do at home also. In a magic square, you are looking these two squares. That one, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So that one, 5 cancel 5, 0. That one also 0. This one also 0. From here also 0. From here also 0. Here also 0. Is right? 6, 4, 10 minus 1, 9. Here is also 9. Here is not 9. So this is a magical square. First is a magical square. Eighth question. Also you can do at home. That first part I am doing only. That A is equal to minus 21. B is equal to 18. So that solution will be A minus B is equal to A plus B. So that will be A plus B minus plus is equal to A plus B. When you will be add this one, then same conclusion will become. Same, that minus 21 plus 18 is equal to minus 21 plus 18. So that will be minus 3 is equal to minus 3. And other part you will be do at home. Ninth question, you will be use the sign. Which number is greater? First number is greater, then first sign will become. If the second number is greater, then second sign will become. If both are equal, then you will be apply the is equal to. 10th question, just difficult question of this one. First part, see, a water tank has step inside it. a monkey is sitting on the topmost step. See the figure here. The water level is at the 9 step. So first part, he jumped 3 step down, and then 2 step up. In how many jump will he reach the water level? So there will be 3 minus 2 plus 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 3 minus 2, that 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, that 7, that 8, that 9. So the conclusion of that one is 11. So 11 step he will reach the water. Second part, after drinking water, he want to go back. For this he jump 4 step up and then jump back 2 step down. In every move, in how many jump will he reach back the top step? So that will be 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2, 2 3 4 plus 4 is equal to, that will be 'So this is the system. And then third part, if the number of step moved down the respectively by the negative integer and the number of step moved up by positive integer, represented his move in part first second by completing this one. Okay, so B part is 4 minus 2 plus dash dash is equal to 8. In A, the sum minus 8 representing going down the 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? So that will be A part, just a minute. That will be minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that minus 3 is equal to minus 8. This is the A part and this is the B part. That will be 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 8, right? Then exercise now exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Write down a pair of integer whose sum is minus 7. So you apply 4 minus 11 is equal to minus 7. It means answer is given. You will be read the question. B part, difference is minus 10. So minus 15 plus 5 is equal to minus 10. Or you can write anything more here like this, 11 minus 11 plus 1, and then sum of 0. So sum of 0. So minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 5 subtract 5, 0. Second question, write a pair of negative integer whose difference is 8. Write a negative pair whose difference is 8. So that will be we can write like this, 8 minus, that will be minus 16 is equal to 8. That one will be minus, right? Next, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Whose sum is minus 5. That will be minus 8 plus 2 is equal to 3. That will be 3 is equal to minus 5. C. Write a negative integer and positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Whose difference is minus 3. So that will be minus 1 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Third question. In a quiz team, A score minus 40, 10, 0 and B score 10, 0, minus 40. In 3 successive rounds, which team score more? Both teams score same. Right? Can you say that we can add integer in any order? Yes. That will be answer will be minus 30 and then yes. Fourth question. Fill in the blanks to make the following statement true. See that this is equal to, before is equal to minus 5, minus 8 is there. After is equal to minus 8 is there, so that will be minus 5. Minus 53 dash is equal to minus 53. So that will be 0 because 0 can't be add or can't be subtract. 70 plus dash is equal to 0. So 0 because 0 can't be add or can't be subtract. See that before the is equal to 13 minus 12 is there. After the is equal to 13 minus 12 minus 7 is also there. So that will be minus 7. Right? In fifth part, minus 4, 15, 3. Minus 4, 15 is there, but 3 is not there. So minus 3 is this one. Minus 3. Okay?